Every Porsche 911 begins its journey inside one of the world's most advanced automotive manufacturing facilities. Aluminum panels form the foundation of the iconic Porsche 911 body. Robotic precision transforms individual components into a complete body structure. Advanced robotics ensure every chassis meets exact engineering specifications. Exceptional performance. At the heart of every Porsche 911 lies its legendary flat-six engine. The powertrain is installed with extraordinary precision. Is crafted to combine luxury, comfort, and performance. Advanced electronics bring the Porsche driving experience to life. Performance testing confirms that every Porsche 911 meets exact standards. From raw materials to automotive excellence, the Porsche 911 is ready for the road.